Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We're talking about the Shopify Update 2026. I know, it sounds far off, but trust me, the features Shopify is rolling out are so revolutionary, you need to start preparing for them right now. This isn't just another minor update. It's a fundamental shift in how e-commerce, and specifically dropshipping, will operate. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's explore how these new features will change everything. First up, let's talk about the headline feature, hyper-personalized AI storefronts. Imagine this, every single visitor to your store sees a completely unique version of it, tailored specifically to their browsing history, their past purchases, and even their demographic data. The system will A/B test everything automatically and continuously, optimizing your store on the fly. It's moving from a one-size-fits-all model to a one-of-a-kind experience for every customer. Next on the list, and this one is huge for logistics, is the integrated global fulfillment network. Forget the nightmare of coordinating with dozens of different suppliers and dealing with unreliable shipping times. With the 2026 update, you'll be able to tap into a network of Shopify-vetted fulfillment centers around the world. Here's how it works. Your supplier sends their inventory to a nearby Shopify hub, and from there, Shopify handles everything, picking, packing, and shipping directly to your customer. This means you can finally offer your customers reliable 2-day or even next-day shipping, no matter where your supplier is located. It eliminates one of the biggest pain points of dropshipping, slow and unpredictable delivery. This single feature will drastically improve customer satisfaction and reduce chargebacks and refund requests. It puts you on a level playing field with major retailers. Now, let's get into something that will make product research a breeze. Predictive trend analysis and sourcing. The new Shopify dashboard will include an incredibly powerful analytics tool that does just show you what's currently trending, but uses machine learning to predict what will be trending in the next 3, 6, or even 12 months. It analyzes social media chatter, search engine data, and market signals from across the web to give you a massive head start. But it gets even better. Once the AI identifies a potential winning product, it will automatically connect you with pre-vetted suppliers who have that product in stock, complete with transparent pricing, quality scores, and shipping estimates. This cuts down your product research time from days or weeks to mere minutes. You'll be able to spot a trend before it goes mainstream, source the product reliably, and get it listed on your store faster than ever before. This is like having a crystal ball for e-commerce. We've seen bits and pieces of this, but Shopify is making it a core part of the platform. For anyone selling apparel, accessories, furniture, or cosmetics, this is a revolution. This native integration means you won't need expensive third-party apps or custom coding. It will be as simple as uploading a 3D model of your product, which many suppliers will start providing. This feature dramatically reduces the uncertainty of online shopping, leading to higher customer confidence, increased sales, and far fewer returns due to sizing or style issues. It bridges the gap between the online and in-person shopping experience like never before. Let's talk about customer service. The 2026 update introduces the AI-powered customer support suite. This isn't just another chatbot. This is a fully autonomous support agent that can handle the vast majority of customer inquiries. It integrates directly with your order management system and the new global fulfillment network, and exchanges according to your store policies, and even answer complex product questions by drawing information from your product pages. It learns from every interaction, becoming smarter and more efficient over time. This frees you up from spending hours answering repetitive emails, allowing you to focus on marketing and growing your business. It also provides your customers with instant, 24/7 support, which is a huge factor in building brand loyalty. Now, how does all of this come together? What does it mean for the future of dropshipping? The days of simply finding a random product on AliExpress and running some basic ads are numbered. The new ecosystem will favor those who can build a real brand. Your primary job will be creative direction, marketing, and brand building. You'll be the storyteller, the curator, the one who creates a compelling brand that resonates with a specific audience. So, what should you be doing right now to prepare? First, start thinking like a brand owner, not just a product seller. What's your niche? What's your brand story? Who is your ideal customer? You don't need to be an expert, but understanding the basics will give you a significant advantage when these features roll out. The dropshippers who will thrive in 2026 and beyond are the ones who start adapting today. This isn't a threat, it's an incredible opportunity to build a more sustainable, profitable, and enjoyable e-commerce business. The future of dropshipping is less about manual logistics and more about creative branding and marketing. It's an exciting time to be in e-commerce, and the tools Shopify is building will empower a new generation of entrepreneurs to succeed on a global scale. Don't wait until 2026 to start thinking about this. The groundwork for your future success starts right now. What do you think about these upcoming changes? Which feature are you most excited about? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching. If you got value from this video, make sure to hit that like button. Are you most excited about? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching. If you got value from this video, make sure to hit that like button.